Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you a very simple thing, a very simple strategy in a new thing I'm going to show you guys to help you guys earn a lot of traffic into your ad network. Whether you're using Adsterra, Monitor, Top Ad, or any ad network, this strategy is going to help you. Now you're going to use Deepseek in our thing that you're going to do. Everything you're going to do, you're going to use Deepseek. But mind you, you're not going to write any article, all right? You're not going to write article. Just as I said, I'm going to show you guys a very simple thing and a new thing I have discovered and the need for me to share. Right, so first thing for all you simply need to do is just come to this particular channel or this particular channel you're watching the video on, which is Mr. Henry. Please and please again go ahead and subscribe to this particular channel you're watching the video on. Make sure to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content just like this. YouTube is going to alert you. Okay, go ahead and like this particular video, leave a nice comment in the comment section, and then I'll go ahead and also reply for you guys. So let's dive into the video. Let me show you. Now as you are diving, make sure to check under the description. There is a link to my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Please go ahead and join me out there. I really share a lot of updates in my Telegram and my WhatsApp channel, most especially the WhatsApp. So go ahead and join the WhatsApp mostly. All right, that's why I mostly share most of my updates. Right, so once you come to Adsterra, you're going to use Adsterra. Just as I said, if you have any ad network, you can try, but with this particular video, I'm going to use Adsterra. So go ahead and use Adsterra and sign in as a publisher. Please, not advertiser. Sign in as a publisher. I already have an account on how you can start with the sign-in account. All right, so if you don't understand, please check my previous videos. I have a lot of videos about how you can sign up as a publisher. Now once you sign up, we're going to take you to this particular place right now here. Now what you're basically going to do today, you're going to use our website and our direct link to engage in our work. All right, so both of these indicators are going to work for us on Adsterra, so we're going to use both of them in this same video, so stick to the end. And mind you, whatever I'll show you guys here, all the updates or the most information will be sent to my WhatsApp group, so go ahead and join me out there. The link can be found under the description, just as I said earlier. All right, so once you come to this section, you're going to use both websites. So click on the website first. All right, so once you click on the website, what we basically want to do next is to click on add websites. All right, so what's the website domain? Just as I said, Adsterra receive free domain website, just like Blogger. All right, so Blogger is a free domain platform or free domain blog where you can use it to monetize your website, or you can use to monetize the Adsterra. You can use Adsterra to monetize this particular blog. Right, so you can go ahead and use Blogger to do that. So once you come here, all you simply need to do is to go ahead and click on view blog. Once you click on view blog, it's going to show you something. You can see I have nothing right now here. What I'm going to do here is to just copy the URL of this particular. I'm going to copy this URL here. Alright, once you copy it, come to your Adsterra and make sure to insert it at this section here. Alright, so once you are done, come to website category and click or select on downloads. Right, so I want to use it for downloads. Please make sure not to toggle on the adult content because now you're going to use adult content. So here choose Popanda, right, and click on add. Now it's going to take you about 1 to 3 minutes before we get approved. So we can see it is pending right now here. Whilst we are waiting for this, let's continue with different thing else. Now come to your direct links. Right, so once you come to a direct link, all you simply need to do is to click on add direct link. Now it's going to show you something like this. Please go ahead and use the mainstream because we are not going to use any adult content. Okay, so go ahead and use the mainstream and click on add. Now it's going to automatically add something to a link to these links right now. You can see how I have an active links. I'll copy this link and use this particular link for this video. All right, so once I copy this link, I'll go up to Deepseek. Now once I come to Deepseek, this is what I'm going to write to Deepseek. Generates an HTML page for a link rotator. It's a professional and branded design. The page should display a countdown timer that updates every second, showing the time left before next links open. These are the requirements I used. Right, these are the requirements I use. I will only share this in my WhatsApp group. So please and please again go ahead and join the WhatsApp group and also subscribe to this particular channel, right? because if I leave it in this blank way for you, you're not going to get the concept of it. All right, so I'll just share it there for free. I don't charge anything, so join me out there. So once you have the script, what you're gonna do here is to just copy whole of this, just as I've just written it here, and make sure to change these links. These are my links. All right, so change it and just insert in your direct links. All right, whether you're using Adsterra, you insert in your direct links. Now once you are done that, that's the link that we copied earlier. Make sure, or mind you, the link that we copied here is the same link we are going to use here. So these are links. All right, these are links. All these are my links. So make sure and insert in your links, and make sure to multiply your links either by doing a duplicate links. All right, so this one link I have make it several links. All right, so duplicate it, make it plenty for you, right? So this is what you're basically going to do with this particular strategy. Now once you're done with this, all you simply need to do is to just click on send, and the AI is going to generate something very particular for us. So we are generating HTML, right? A script which you're going to insert it in our blogger. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that in a very simple way. So once the AI have the code, or you have given us this particular script, we will go ahead and copy the script. So you can see this is our link. It has generated in a script form, a JavaScript form. So what we're basically going to do here is just go ahead and copy this. All right, copy it. Right, once you copy it, let's check our Adsterra and see if our rec or our website has been approved. All right, that's what we are actually looking for. All right, so let me get to maybe the website have been approved. Okay, so I think at this session here, you can see it has been approved. All right, right, it has been approved. See tutorial, you can see it's down here, right? It's active right now, so that means you can proceed with this particular video. Now once you're done, come to your tutorial, or come to your blogger. Yes, they come to your blogger. This is what we're gonna do. Come to this place which says theme. Right, once you come to this theme, now this is a strategy you're gonna take good care of, else whatever you do is not gonna work. So come to this place and click on this icon and click on switch to first generation classic theme, and click on switch without update. No, click on update and switch. All right, click on update and switch, and click on switch. All right, now it's gonna turn something like this. All right, it's gonna turn to you something like this. Now once you're done, click on edit HTML. All right, now it is gonna take you to this place right now here. Now what you're gonna do is to just input in your code. Now please, if you're really enjoying this particular video, I'll urge you to go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube video. As we are just proceeding, turn on the notification bell to get notified, and join the WhatsApp channel, and let's proceed with this particular video. Now once you get here, all you simply need to do is just come to your Deepseek and copy this. Right, copy what you just entered it, or prompt the Deepseek to do, and come back to your tutorial. Yeah, come back to the tutorial, come to these aspects, right, and make sure to paste it here. Alright, so paste is gonna show something like this. Right, so this is our links here. You see it has been pasted. Right, now once you are done, what you simply need to do is just come to this page which says save. It's gonna take time to save. You can see update saved, update saved. Now what are we trying to do? What we're trying to do is that we are going to load our art. Now once we start loading our art, there will be a timer so that the Adsterra network will not detect that we are running an automation, right? So it's going to take some timing for it to run different ads for us, right? So what we're basically going to do is to come to this particular site, which say come to this site, just come back. All right, and let's check something here. Click on view blog in open in a new tab. So let's say this is our new blog. See, this is our tutorial. You can see this place which says tutorial. So this is our blog that we're using. Place a link rotator. So you can see we adjust a timer to it as our indicators, as we said. Now let's read something from here. Now let's come to this section. It says that What we said our requirement was, they said it's a link rotator with a professional and branded design. All right, so that's what basically we've done. This is a link rotator. So you can see the timer is reducing drastically, right? Our timer is reducing drastically. So when it starts doing something like this, Adsterra is not going to notify you that it's not going to know that this is an automation that you're running, because it's going to take time just as human beings are clicking on it. All right, so once it gets to 0, you can see an ads popping up, right? So you can see there is an ad coming here. So this is an ad, right? So you can see if you come back here, you can see the timer is counting backwards, which means we are still running a different automation. So once it runs to 0, it's going to create different ads just as human beings are clicking on it. Now, once we've done with this, we are not yet done. Now, you have to come back to your Adsterra. All right, come back to your Adsterra, and come to that particular website that you can see the ads are even running. I can't get time to continue with this particular video because the ads are running. This is one of the ads. All right, so let's try to switch it back. All right, so this is the website that I added earlier. Now what you're basically going to do is just click on this particular place. It says get code. Now once you click on get code, it tells you paste the code snippet right before the closing head tag. All right, so you copy this code, and what you're going to do is come to blogger and then come to the edits. It's not giving me time to do this. All right, so what I'm going to do is to come to edits HTML and then come to this place. This is the head, right? So locate the head, right? Locate the head and just go ahead and copy your work, right? Paste it, rather paste your link. So this is the link, our link. From this link, you copy the code, right? This code, come back to your work and you copy it at the head aspect here, right? Where is the head? All right, this is the head. All right, so copy it at this section right now here. All right, so once you're done, click on updates. It's going to take time to update successfully. This means that we've added our website, we've added the codes of the website, which means that our website is also going to run its own ads, and our direct link is also going to run its own ads. Now once you are done, you do not have to open it in a Chrome browser, just as simple as this. What you're basically going to do is to come to this particular place and click on view blog. Now I just run this once for you guys to know how it's actually going to work. So these are all some of the ads that you have started running on your mobile device or on your desktop or whatever, your laptop or computer. All right, so let me try to close these tabs and then continue from there. All right, so once you've been able to insert your link, now what we've done is we've input in our direct link. By the help of Deepseek, we generated a script which have been embedded into our HTML here. We have embedded it in already. We have also embedded the code. We've also embedded this particular code from our website into our blogger. Now once you're done, click on your right click and then go ahead and select this particular thing which says copy link address. Now once you copy link address, come back to this aspect and click on new incognito window, right? So this is not going to reflect in our main browser. So we are just doing this to others, the device won't see our activity. All right, so you can browse more privately here. All right, so what you're gonna do is just paste in your link and click on enter. Now it's gonna take time to start counting downwards for you. Right, so you can see our ads have started running. Right, so it's gonna take time to run ads backwards for you. Right, so once it gets to 0, there will be different ads. So you can see our first ad is here. So you can see different ads to add this section here. So what you've done, Adsterra or Monitag or Hilltop or whatever you're using will not detect this, because you are first of all using a private side of the browser. You see there is a different ad also loading here, right? All right, so this is a different ad. This is also a different ad. We are using the private aspect of the browser, and also we've also designed our link in such a way that it has been encrypted to a particular website or a particular blog's domain. All right, so this is what we've actually done. Now if you really enjoyed this particular video, please go ahead and give me a thumb like, leave a nice comment in the comment section, subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, and also don't forget to join the Telegram channel and the WhatsApp. More advisably, check under the description to check to join the WhatsApp instead of the Telegram, and let's all share ideas together. All right, so I'm going ahead to show you. I'll go ahead and then, all right, let me try to return back to my normal. So let me close this. So I'll go ahead and share with you this scripts. All right, I'll go ahead and share with you this script in my WhatsApp. All right, so go ahead and join me and let's produce a lot of updates out there. So what I will say is to say thank you guys for watching this particular video, liking this particular video, leaving these comments, and also subscribing to this particular YouTube channel. And I hope to see you in my next video.